Question says, if t is time period of simple pendulum at a place where acceleration due to gravity is g, then length of pendulum is a gt square upon 4 pi square, b gt upon 4 pi square, c 4 pi square upon gt square, d 4 pi upon gt square. Is time period of simple pendulum is calculated by using formula t is equal to 2 pi under root L upon G. So we have to find length. So to remove square root, squaring on both sides. So the square on t is t square. The square of 2 pi is 4 pi square, and under root will be get cancelled with square. So it will be L upon G. So we have to find the equation of L. So here G is dividing, on the other side of equal it will multiply with time period. So it will be G into T square is equal to 4 pi square into length, or by changing sides we can also write it as 4 pi square L is equal to GT square. Here 4 pi square is multiplying with L, on the other side of equal it will divide. So length will be obtained as GT square upon 4 pi square. So the correct option will be A, GT square upon 4 pi square.